ready to unlock the secrets of your website's performance and turn data into actionable insights. First, open your Google Tag Manager account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it, which is the first step. Next, click Add a new tag. Then, click the tag configuration area to select a tag type. Choose Google Analytics GA for configuration from the list. Now, you'll need your Google Analytics Measurement ID in the Measurement ID field. Open your Google Analytics account and go to the Admin section by clicking on the gear icon. In Admin, choose Data Streams. Select your website's data stream. Copy your Measurement ID from this page. Paste the Measurement ID into the dedicated field in Google Tag Manager. Next, configure the trigger. Select all pages as your trigger. Save the configuration. Finally, you'll need to submit and publish your changes inside Google Tag Manager for them to go live. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Analytics to Google Tag Manager. Now, head over to Google Analytics and after a short delay, start monitoring your website data and make data-driven decisions to optimize your website.